In this video, I will be showing you the best and easiest method to make money with the new Threads app. I will show you a step-by-step process of how you can use this website here to generate money with the click of a few buttons, and you will learn all of this in only under 3 minutes. So let's skip all of the waffling. Now the first step is to sign up to OG Ads. This specific website will help you so that you can monetize your own content on the Threads app. For example, you could be earning an easy $1.48 every time somebody downloads the Words with Friends 2 game with this offer on OG Ads. This means that if you have 1,000 people clicking on that landing page, you will make a sweet $1,480. Now Threads is completely brand new, as it was just recently launched 2 days ago, and it has succeeded 10 million downloads on the Play Store. So you will be able to capitalize on this new opportunity with OG Ads. So what do you need to do? You can get started with signing up to the platform. The sign up process is very easy, as there are only 4 steps. The first step is to type in your account information, include your address details, answer some questions about your experience and earnings, including your traffic sources, which will be the platforms that you use for the content that you upload, and then you're finished. Once you are logged in and can access your dashboard, you will then need to find a landing page that you want to promote. Now this is the easy part. This will be an offer that you will give to your audience so that they can click onto it and continue the process. It is best to decide a specific niche for your landing pages. It could be anything that you are personally interested in, or something that you already promote on Instagram as your own brand. Some of the niches that you can tap into are gaming, art, technology and music, just to name a few. Once you have decided your niche, you then want to request for a landing page, and you will select the landing page request option, which is located on the left side of your dashboard. Then you will select any offer that you want to choose from the drop down list, and you will click request. After this, your landing page will then be approved and a link will be generated in the domain box. This means that this link will provide you with an already built landing page, so you do not need to build it yourself. Each time someone clicks on this link from the Threads app that you input in, you will then make money by them either downloading an app or completing a survey, depending on the offer. But it doesn't stop there. It is worth mentioning that you can monetize any one of the following, like your own website, blog, app, or any other social media contents with OG Ads. It is not only restricted to a specific platform, so you have options to be making a large amount of money. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, download the Threads app and start making money with OG Ads.